Yo, what's good everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. So if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So pasensya na po talaga, medyo bulol ako kasi may singaw po ako sa may dila, okay, sa may dito sa may gilid. Siguro sa sobrang init or something like that, no? Hindi ko masyadong nabubuka yung ano ko or nasi-stretch yung dila ko to pronounce words kasi masakit. Anyways, so ito ay highly requested from Jamiel Fanatics, no? Lagi po itong sinesend sa akin via Instagram and on my Facebook, no, page. And up until today, kahit sa sa TikTok, mini-mention din ako dito. So today, let's do a reaction, okay? And follow nyo ako sa TikTok, sa Facebook, and sa Instagram. Parehas lang po yung pangalan ko, and parehas lang po yung username ko. So makikita nyo sa screen, okay? So let's jump right into the video. So this is She's Gone. Lady, won't you tell me my heart belongs to you? Ganun. So, pakinggan natin yung powerful and very versatile na boses ni JM De La Serna. Okay? So, let's begin. By the way, hindi ko alam kung bago ito or old video ito. Kasi it's a live band. Siguro bandan niya to dati. Hindi ko alam. So just comment down below, ha. Ang strong ng pasok. Very relaxed talaga siyang kumanta. Bakit parang may squeak doon? Grabe, ang galing. Ulitin natin. Ito may squeak, oh. Galing. Grabe. Very stable and solid. Yung bigat ng high notes niya. Yung head tone, man. And I love that squeak though. I really love that one. Galing ng run na yan. Grabe talaga yun, no? Ooh. Yung mga vocalist or mga singers na kumakanta nito, grabe, ang tatapang nila mga tao, man. Like, alam mo kung gaano, hindi lang kasi sa high notes. Let's not just think about the high notes, no? Kasi marami namang singers na nakakaabot ng high notes. Pero the question is, may power ba? May bigat ba? May stamina ba sila na masustain yung ganoong style, na ganoong challenge sa isang kanta? So, kaya ito very challenging. It's not about like the high notes. Marami namang kantang may mga high notes. Ang challenge dito is yung stamina ng isang singer. Kasi, lalo na sa chorus at saka yung refrain part na talagang, papasok ka sa chorus, talagang you have to sustain that power. No, maraming nakakaabot ng high notes pero walang power, walang puwersa, walang bigat. Hindi mo ramdam. Okay? Pero si JM talaga, very established and solid talaga yung niya, yung mga high notes niya, regardless if it's head tone, chest voice mixed. Talagang he already, I think, mastered how to maneuver his voice, kung ano man gusto niyang technique na gawin. Ganun yung ko sa kanya. And shoutout nga pala sa banda, no? Ang galing ng banda, galing ng banda. O, diba? Woo! Medyo may nawala sa gitarista ata. Grabe. Grabe, oh. Sustain, lo. Grabe. Mamaw. Mamaw talaga. Like, grabe. Ang mamaw nun. Anyway. Ay, sorry. Naano ko yung camera. Anyway. Sayang lang. Bakit sayang? Sayang kasi yung kuha ng camera is low quality, no? Sa video pa lang, very noisy na yung pixelation, no, ng video quality. And then sa audio naman, although it captured like a decent audio, pero it would have been better siguro if this was really recorded with a device or a gadget na talagang mas makaka-capture ng high quality audio. So yun ang nasasayaan ko because this is a very raw and live performance, So wala itong take two talaga, kung ano yung pagkakanta, ganun talaga. So that's one of the most impressive things about JM, kasi nga as what I've said on my other reaction videos of him performing and singing, I think that he is very underrated. And if meron mang isang singer na lalaki na talagang very versatile and also still underrated dito sa Pilipinas, I would really say na si JM De La Serna ay isa pa ring underrated yet very very talented and skillful. Ano siya? Vocal athlete, no? Talagang athletic siya pagdating sa bosesan, no? Sa kantahan. So, yeah, this was an awesome, powerful live performance. And again, kudos to the band as well kasi they did awesome sa pagtugtog, no? Talagang na-level din nila yung energy ng tugtog nila sa energy na binigay ni JM sa kanyang performance. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace out everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.